Ever experienced ChatGPT freezing, giving errors, or not responding? Yeah. It can be frustrating, but most issues have simple fixes. In this guide, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix ChatGPT errors and glitches in 2026. First, make sure your connection is stable. Unstable Wi-Fi or slow internet can cause errors or prevent responses. Try refreshing the page after reconnecting. Sometimes browser cache or cookies can interfere with ChatGPT. Clear them, restart your browser, and try again. This usually resolves weird glitches or loading issues. If it's still not working, switch browsers or devices. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox usually work best. This helps identify if the issue is device specific. Make sure your browser or ChatGPT app is up to date. Old versions can cause compatibility issues or errors. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. Check OpenAI's status page to see if ChatGPT servers are down or experiencing high traffic. Waiting a few minutes can resolve the issue. Very long or complex prompts can sometimes cause glitches. Try breaking them into smaller parts or simplify your instructions. This often fixes slow or failed responses. If none of these steps work, contact OpenAI support. Provide screenshots, your prompt, and device info. They can troubleshoot more complex issues. And that's it. Check your internet, clear cache, try a different browser, update your app, verify server status, simplify prompts, and contact support if needed. Following these steps will fix most ChatGPT errors and glitches quickly.